A quick update on LCX here. So LCX here on the monthly macro chart does not look bad. We can see the monthly stock RSI is down here at the bottom once again and getting very close to a very bullish cross from the bottom there. So it does not look bad here on the monthly chart. We tagged our trend once again. So of course, not financial advice, but the best time to be buying on some of these coins we've been watching, of course, would be something like LCX here, to where it's on the bottom. It's really not going to go much lower than this. It could get a wick down below a little bit more, but our green support resistance box here has been holding, besides a dip below it here. But ultimately, the trend with that macro support and resistance area, I would have to say it's only up from here, especially with the stock RSI resetting there. So if the stock RSI on LCX here is actually going to move us to the upside, you can see that would be a higher high, would be possibly over the 786 here at about 35. So maybe we hit 50 cents on the next run. You can see that's a 300% move. So about a 4x from this potential macro bottom on LCX. So it looks very good here, in my opinion. What we're going to do is we're going to take it one step further before we get into the higher targets here. So we'll go to the weekly candle chart off of this bottom area. You can see going from the high to the low here, we have to get over pretty much the 0.5236 at about 14, up to 14.5. And then once you get over about 17.5, 18, then you can be bullish for this thing to start finally pushing to the upside, of course. Now, back out to the monthly chart. Like I said, a very good looking chart here off of the bottom. So where can LCX end up is the big question here in 2025. So going from where we are in price today, just be conservative and take it to the new high, the 1272. I think is very possible. So we have $1.60 here. So probably 2 to 250 is a good target to take profit on LCX when it starts to run. If we hit $2, that's a 15.5, 16x. And then if we hit about 250 up to the 1414 and even up to the 1618, that's your 20x to 250. And if you want to be a moon boy for 2025 on LCX, 473, 475, maybe $5 is tagged, but up to that 1618 is a 36x from where we are right now. Not saying it's going to do that. So of course, comment down below, what is your target to take profit on LCX once it finally runs to the moon? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.